Hey guys, Coatings Organic Woodwork here, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how I apply the Rubio Monocoat to my resin river tables. Hey guys, so before we do anything with the oil, what you want to do is make sure that your table is properly prepared. So I have sanded this table down to 2500 grit. Rubio Monocoat recommends that you only sand them down to 150 grit, but because of the resin river tables, I do sand them down to a much higher grit in order to get that very glass look for the resin. Later on in the video, when we apply the oil, instead of the 2 to 3 minutes that most people recommend for you to allow the oil to sit, we do add another additional 1 to 2 minutes. Due to the high grit sand, the pores of the wood is significantly smaller, and we need to allow that additional time for the oil to seep down into it. So before we start with the oil, what you want to do is you want to take the Rubio Monocoat raw wood cleaner and you want to prepare your table. So now that you've cleaned and prepared your table with the Monocoat raw wood cleaner, you want to wait for it to completely dry. Hey guys, so now that we're ready to start mixing our oil, you'll need your oil with the accelerator compound, these little plastic 5-ounce cups, because a little goes a long way, so you don't need anything very big, a paint can opener, and personally I use 2 10 milliliter medicine dispensers. I got these at our local Walgreens. They're great little syringes I use one for the oil compound and one for the accelerator. And so I'll show you how I do this. Okay, so now that we've mixed this, we're just going to stir it just enough to really see that the accelerator is mixed in well with the oil. There's really not a certain time. It's not like an epoxy where you have to sit here and mix for 6 minutes, switch containers, mix for another 6. It's simply just making sure that the accelerator is mixed well with the oil, and then we're ready to apply it. simple system to use. It was designed for flooring, so if it can get trampled on, it can definitely protect your table. Because you use the oil with the accelerator, the table should be able to be used within 24 to 36 hours. Alright guys, that was our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel. Also visit our Instagram or Facebook page, or you can visit our website at organicwoodwork.com.